Judge Liman, presiding over the case, appeared inclined to approve the motions to quash submitted by Brian Freriedman's legal practice. These recent filings by Blake aimed to bolster the contention that Brian Freriedman functions not as legal counsel, but strictly as a PR representative. This strategy proved ineffective because Freriedman is demonstrably defending his clients. Blake's Friday effort to gain leverage failed to influence the judge. Recall the earlier point regarding Wayfair declaring an absence of documents responsive to Blake Lively's demands, specifically requests 1 through 4 concerning payment records or similar materials yielded nothing because such transactions never occurred. That situation, I noted, represented a technical victory for her since Wayfair possessed nothing to surrender. The judge validated this, awarding her that technical win based on Wayfair's lack of producible material while ruling favorably for Wayfair on the remaining matters. He explicitly stated Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds, whose names appear on all these subpoenas, possess no entitlement to access Brian Freriedman's confidential legal records. The judge remained entirely unmoved by the argument labeling Brian a PR agent rather than an attorney. Deeming the privilege circumventing claim absurd, affirming privilege applies unequivocally. Furthermore, he found Blake's assertion that she wasn't pursuing privileged information unpersuasive and lacking credibility, particularly as she alleges defamation by Wayfair for statements originating from Brian Freriedman. Logically, Wayfair stands as the sole potential source for those statements, yet she hasn't sued Brian Freriedman directly. Consequently, she cannot compel production of engagement letters between Wayfair's legal counsel and any content creators. He acknowledged potential relevance exists concerning whether negative commentary about Lively links back to Wayfair entities and their agent, or whether content creators maintained relationships with Liner and Freriedman and acted under their direction. However, procuring the engagement letters of Liner firm clients is unnecessary to demonstrate this. The specific terms of their engagement with Liner and the nature of their representations lack relevance. Information regarding Liner's connections to content creators is accessible through alternative avenues. Therefore, her allegation that Liner and Freriedman channeled funds to content creators did not sway him. Regarding requests 5 and 6, 5 seeks all documents concerning digital online content creators and influencers, services related to Miss Lively, Mr. Reynolds, any Wayfair defendants, the digital campaign, or the film. 6 demands all documents between you and any journalist, reporter, producer, editor, or media representative concerning the consolidated action, Miss Lively, Mr. Reynolds, or any Wayfair defendants from July